we get in it, unique, especially in classics. 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt Edition. This particular car, a little over 20,000 miles, about 20,800 miles on it. Spent the majority of those miles in Oklahoma. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. This particular one in the dark Highland green. And it is number 2070 out of 4,377 of them made in Highland green. Of course, in the Bullitt editions, you can see the specialty grille without the running pony on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Paint shows well on this car. There is a very few little tiny touch-ups where a previous owner maybe got just a little tiny rock chip, touched it up. So you can tell this thing's been well cared for. Actually still riding on the original BF Goodrich comp TAs. Should be. Let's take a look at those. Yep, BF Goodrich G-Force comp TAs. So it doesn't appear that this car has been driven hard. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. If you are watching this and interested in the car, definitely don't take too long. These usually move rather quick off of our showroom floor. As you can see, the side windows have been tinted, so know your state and local laws on the percentage of tint you can have according to the darkness. 18-inch wheels, specially crafted for the Bullitt. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see the paint does really shine. Shows well underneath the hood, of course. 4.6 liter, 3-valve, single overhead cam V8. That is bumped to 315 horse from the GT. And that's done with a Ford Racing power upgrade package that went on the Bullets. And then also you're going to have some suspension tweaking done to this with stiffer shocks, springs, strut tower brace. We'll pop the hood so you can see that here in a little bit. You'd also have 373 rear gears and a true dual exhaust, and it is tuned. Sounds very nice under throttle. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, you come back here and you notice the spoiler delete on the Bullitt edition. Also the faux gas cap, which really isn't a gas cap obviously, but does have the Bullitt insignia on there. And then coming around here is the real gas fill. Once again, still pictures to uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Looking up and down the driver's side, again, you can see the reflection, the shine off that paint. This car definitely shows well. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Of course, we'd have leather buckets in the ebony or dark charcoal. FYI, check this out. There's still the protective plastic coating on the Bullitt door sill emblems. You can see the data tag, I guess, if you will, the door tag. That will be in the still pictures too if you want to check that out. As far as the wear with the seats, what you'd expect this year in miles. Not much for wear at all. Of course, the 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that 4.6 liter. Another Bullitt insignia on the steering wheel cover. The machine looking dash here. It's going to be different from the GTs, also in the Bullitt edition. Alright, so you have the Shaker 500 stereo system. There's your exact miles. Close the door so you can see them. Oops. There you go, 20,000, sorry, 20,201. I think I said 20,800. 20,201. See that. All gauges working, no warning lights on, a little different gauge readout on the speedometer and the tach on the Bullitt additions. Check out the top of the dash. Tell this car's been stored indoors, no doubt about that. All right. Take a peek at the headliner real quick. And there's probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. You can see it from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Nice little throaty growl coming out of that exhaust. And again, these sound great under throttle. Get them opened up. They'll have a nice little rumble to it. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here you go, nice, clean, and tidy. Cold air intake, of course, that's part of that Ford Racing Power Upgrade package that would come on the Bullits. There would be your sequential number, 2070. That is of the 4,377 Highland green ones made. Of course, the strut tower brace. These cars are fun to drive, corner with. Perform nicely. What you would expect. Headliner also intact, nice and clean. Tell it's been a fair weather car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, 2008 Ford Bullitt Mustang. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and it'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate with a call or email.